Let's talk a little bit about the sort of morphology of the fruit itself. I mean, is it a berry, or what is a citrus fruit exactly?
Well, you're right. It is a kind of a berry, but it's such a peculiar sort that it goes under its own name. It's called a Hesperidium. And the definition of one is one which has a peel, and then inside, what people eat in the segments is very interesting because, in fact, if you break it open, you have these funny elongated things, which are hairs which are pumped up with citrus juice.
So these are the kind of cell-like things that are inside a segment that you
Yes.
can kind of break apart. They're like rice-shaped, I guess, aren't they? It's
Yes.
sort of plump rice kernel.
That's right. They are in most citrus species.
Yeah.
In some, they're perfectly spherical.
Okay.
So, for example, the finger lime in Australia, which is now a very fashionable thing in restaurants in London, when you break it open, these so-called vesicles, which is the technical term for them, are spherical, and that's why they call them vegetable caviar.
Yes.
Now, these vesicles keep the seeds moist. What happens is that a citrus fruit, with all its chemicals in the peel, is not being attacked by insects or fungi. And inside, the seeds are bathed in this nice wet environment, so they retain their viability, which is why you can cart these things all around the world, and why, indeed, the Chinese were able to take fruits from one region to another, and then we got those hybrids. So, in essence, the citrus industry derives from two things. One, Chinese people moving things around, and two, the reason they could do it was because of the structure of the Hesperidium.